Hello everyone and welcome back. So previously we saw how we can make a very simple part in Solidworks. So today we are gonna explore a little bit of interface because that's very important to see where we have certain features and trees or whatever and how we can access things in it to do multiple stuff. So on the left we have the feature tree. All of the features that we're gonna build will be located over here. And with this bar we would be able to roll back and roll forward. These are the basic planes that we have, and if you just look on here, it's the main menu bar that is pretty default on all Windows things. Here you would have the name of the part or document that you're creating, and these buttons like close, maximize, minimize, help, and login, and everything else pretty standard in all Windows. So you can create multiple documents or multiple files, and then you can restore or switch between them like this way. And the most important thing, the units you have here, so you can switch back into inch and millimeter pretty easily, and you can select your default as well. So here you have the different features for zoom in, zoom, previous view, section view, and the standard views as well, and different shading options like I want to see the lines, dotted lines, and wireframe, and hide all types what we can hide in this document to make it look pretty clean. And these are the dimension sorry the views. So I do have a very good graphic card, so I can use the real view or I can use any one of these. I mean, it doesn't really matter. So here we have all of the features toolbar. This is the features toolbars. So we can switch between these, and we can right click over any one of these, and then we can enable or disable features. Now sketch is gone. I'm gonna add feature and sketch to have it. And if I just drag it down somewhere, I would be able to fix it on these one of these paths. It's showing me. So let's see if I want to, for example, put it right here, then it's here. Now if I want to drag it, I would just click it, and then now it's dragged. So that's pretty much very simple and basic. So the ones that I used, I seldom use for weldments, but when I do, I just have to enable it. And moreover, we can access all of the features from here, from the main menu bar. And I would just have to go to features, and whatever features I don't have here, I can access from here. For example, I used move and delete bodies very often. So the things that I don't use very often, I would just go there and then access it. And if I want to, and if I want them to be put here, then I would just right click on here and then customize. And then I would just go to commands, and there I have the feature. So I just want to use this delete one and come split one. There is another one that I use too much, move one. Or let's go to the sketch one, for example, sketch. And there are too many things that we don't see here. For example, we don't see a split entity over here. So I do want to use that too much. So I would just put it here, drag it here, and I can move it anywhere I want. Wherever I want, I would just get it. So that's pretty flexible, and if you just want to do anything with it, you would know how to do it. And uh, and accessing things is not really too much of fuss. So it's pretty much basic. And for example, if we have, oops, the sketch tool, sketch entities, everything else is laid out for you. You just need to know like where these things are and how to change them.